Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the battery replacement process for your Dyson SV25, ensure you have the following tools ready: a screwdriver, preferably a T15 Torx screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Having these tools on hand will make the job much easier. First, unplug your Dyson SV25 from the charging dock. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's completely powered off. Now, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum where the battery is housed. Using your T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. There are typically 2 screws securing the battery compartment. Once the screws are out, gently pull the battery cover off. This is where you might want to use the flathead screwdriver to assist in prying the cover if it's stuck. Take your time here to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. With the battery compartment open, you will see the battery itself. Carefully disconnect the battery by pulling on the connector tab. Ensure you do this gently to prevent any damage to the wiring. If the battery appears to be stubborn, double-check for any additional screws that might be securing it in place. Now, let's focus on cleaning the internal compartment before inserting the new battery. You can use a dry cloth or a soft brush to remove any dust or debris. This step is crucial as it helps maintain the performance of your vacuum. If you don't have a new battery yet, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Simply let us know your needs, and we can assist you in acquiring the right battery for your Dyson SV25. Once you have your new battery, align it correctly with the connectors in the battery compartment. Press down firmly until you hear a click, indicating the battery is securely in place. After that, replace the battery cover and reinsert the screws using your T15 Torx screwdriver. Be careful not to over-tighten. If you're feeling overwhelmed at any point during this process, keep in mind that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can skip the hassle of traveling or making phone calls. Just let us handle the repair for you. Once everything is back together, charge your Dyson SV25 fully before the first use. This allows the new battery to calibrate properly. Finally, take a moment to check if the vacuum is functioning correctly before you put it back to work. To summarize, replacing the battery on your Dyson SV25 is a straightforward task if you have the right tools and follow these steps. Remember, if you prefer to avoid any hassle, you can always request a quote before repair with our service. We're here to help you keep your vacuum running smoothly and efficiently. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.